Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sir Mahdi. In this video, we will learn about another part of divisibility rules. And what we are going to learn here, we will learn the divisibility for 11 only. Because this is a very important thing, you all know about this, and this is a little different than others. So that's why in this video, we will learn only for 11. Okay, so let's start. Now you can see on the board, this is the rule for 11. And here I wrote the rule. This looks like, of course, a little large, but of course, I will make you sure what is this actually. So just let's read that first. What is the rule actually? A number is divisible by 11 if the differences between the sum of its in odd positions and the sum of its even positions are divisible by 11. So what did you understand actually? Okay, no problem. I'm making you understood step by step what is this actually. So here the differences, we need to find the differences between the sum of its digits in odd position, the sum of its digits in odd position, and the sum of its digit in even position. Mainly, you know that suppose I'm writing a number here. I'm writing a number 2, 8, 9, 6, 1, 3. In this number, this is a 6-digit number. In this number, what are the odd positions and what are the even positions? Here, if you look at here clearly, so you can find this is odd position, this is 1, this is 2, this is, but if I write in a little smaller way, so you will write, you will understand more clearly. So let's like here, 1, 2 is 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these are the positions actually, okay, of these digits. And 1 is odd number, so this the position is odd. So I think you understood about this. What are the odd positions and what are the even positions? So the sum of odd positions. What is the sum of odd position? Let's write. The sum of odd position is what is that? Then first of all, we have to find what are the odd positions number. 3, 6, 8. These three are odd position. Then we have to find a summation of these three. Okay, so what is the summation? Let's find the summation for, I'm writing here for odd. Let's take a little larger. O double T for odd. What is summation? 8 plus 6 plus 3. This is the sum, and what will be this? Very common. It's 12 and 3 is 14 and 3 is 17. Okay, so the odd position is 17 and we have to find the even position. What are those? Those are here 2, 1, I mean 2 the position. That means this is even. 1, 9 and 2. That means 2, 4 and 6 position, these are even. So let's write for also this. Let's write for even here. Even. What are the even numbers? 1 and 9 and 2. So we can write it in this way. 1 plus 9 plus 2. What will be this? It's 10 and 2 is 12. So we found this is 17 and this is 12. But what will we do in the next way? The differences between the sum of these. Okay, we found the sum. Then the main thing is difference. Did you see the differences here? We have to find the differences. Okay, so what is the differences? The 17 and 12. Let's find the differences. To find the differences, what do we have to do? We have to subtract. Okay, so let's subtract here. 17 minus 12. Which is this? This is only 5. So if this number, the differences, we found here 5. If this number is divisible by 11, so the whole number is divisible by 11. So look at here, 5. 5 is not divisible by 11 because it's less than 5. You can say this is less than 11. So how will be this? This is not possible. So this number is not divisible by 11. So this is a very common way. You have to read the rule again. A number is divisible by 11 if the differences between the sum of its digits in odd position and the sum of the digits in even position is divisible by 11. So the whole number is divisible by 11. So for another number, you can verify with this. So this is of course a very easy thing, and that is it for today. I think you all understood. And if you have any more questions, of course, what will you do? You will write in the comment box and I will answer you. So anyway, of course, share this video with your friends because they will be very helpful. Of course, this is a very helpful. This will be a helpful video for them. And of course, hit a like, and if you watch on YouTube, subscribe, and if you watch on page, so follow this page. So that's all for today. I will see you in the next video with the last part of the divisibility rules. So that's all. Allah Hafiz.